Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see we've just been kind of chopping. We had a spike high 25.75 back on the 13th, and since then it's just we put in a lower high 24.5 back on Thursday, and since then it's really just this whole 5, 6, going on 6 sessions here. It's just kind of been a back and forth, choppy, kind of whippy zone between 80 and 25. Now, it's a 45 handle range. You can get a lot of trading done inside that range. There's been some really nice moves every day, but it's really undecided about what it wants the next move to be. The fact that the last 4 sessions have bisected the 9-day tells you there's some indecisiveness in this tape. It had tried to be support. They spiked it back above. They closed above. But now they didn't close above Friday. And, it's just kind of here we are. It's got to make a decision. Now, you get on the hourly chart, and you see a lot of whip. This is back. This is your Fed day. They took it up to 26, but they couldn't. They took it up as high as 24.5. They couldn't do the 26 that they needed to. Lower high here. They brought it down, but they couldn't finish. They end up making a higher low into the close, and then they take it up off the Sunday night open, and you saw a little bit of a rejection there, 3 to 3:30 in the morning, and you see another potential here, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. If they can make a lower low, they can really reach down. The daily mid-band is at 29.64. So certainly not out of the question. It's Monday. We have a new weekly pivot that looks a whole heck of a lot like the old weekly pivot. We've gone from 29.98 even to 29.98.17. So this 98 is going to continue to be a big number on the board, combined with the pre-FOMC price at 3,000 spot 25, and obviously the round number 3,000. So you have all kinds of potential resistance concentrated in that area. What the bears need to do is just seal that off. You make a couple of lower lows, you're going to begin to push away, but you need to finish. The bears' problem for the last 12 years is they can't finish. If in the few times that they have, late last year, earlier this year, you see the progression back down. We are miles off the 200, things like that. I mean, there's no reason why, with an inability to get back through 26, with an inability to take out the continuation high at 29 and change and the front month high at 32.25, especially the day after the Fed day when they had a real opportunity here, tells me that what is next on the longer term time frame, what's next on that daily chart that I showed you, is a test of the daily mid-band. No, that's not an unreasonable assumption for the week. That conversation begins today if the bears can stay below weekly pivot, 3,000, and the 9-day. If they do that, make a couple of lower lows, then the migration down to the daily mid-band can begin. What do the bulls want to do? Well, they just want the bears to blow it again. And at a minimum, spend another week whipping and chopping around this 30.25 to 29.80 range, which you can see the bottom of the range here in the top, and just a lot of whip in the middle. But like I said, some really good moves. It was a really great week last week because you had the volatility inside the zone. But whoever wins that zone is going to win the next leg. For me, whoever wins the zone is going to win the rest of this month and the beginning of October. That's what we're fighting over now. All right, everybody have a great day. We'll have some more stuff out on social. Come check us out in the room. Come trade this stuff with us. A lot of new people starting, a lot of people coming back from enjoying the fruits of the room's labor over the course of the summer. So it's a good time to start up. Come check it out. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.